Hello friends, and welcome to a very important weather update about the latest weather forecast in the United Kingdom for the next 5 days. But before we get into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated. So during tomorrow Saturday in the first half of the day, the weather will generally be stable and the sky will be mostly clear in most areas of the kingdom. However, during the second half of the day, the weather will become unsettled due to the effects of an Atlantic low-pressure system, leading to light to moderate rainfall in most of Northern Ireland, most areas and cities of Scotland, as well as Wales and the northwestern islands of the kingdom. Winds will gust at speeds ranging from 50 to 65 kilometers per hour in the northwestern islands and also in the coastal areas and cities of Northern Ireland, Wales, northwest England, and western Scotland. As for the maximum temperatures during tomorrow Saturday, they will be as follows in some areas of the kingdom: 11 degrees in Lerwick and Thurso, 12 degrees in Port of Ness, 13 in Ballyvanich, Scaronish, Inverness, Aberdeen, and Glasgow, 14 in Douglas, 15 degrees in Sunderland, 16 in Liverpool, 17 degrees in Hull, 16 degrees in Norwich, Birmingham, St David, Bristol and Plymouth, 18 in London, 11 degrees in Omagh, and 12 degrees in Belfast and Newry. As for Sunday, September 24th, the weather will be unstable and cloudy in most areas of the kingdom. The continued influence of the Atlantic low-pressure system will result in rainfall in all of Northern Ireland, all areas and cities of Scotland, most of the northern and western islands, as well as Wales and the northern half of England. Rainfall will be heaviest in the areas marked in green, yellow, orange or red, as these regions may receive rainfall measurements of 15, 20, 30 or even 40 millimeters, specifically in the following areas: Lampeter, Carmarthen, Porthmadog, Bangor, Holyhead, Millom, Workington, Silloth, Langholm, Dumfries, Moffat, Carsfairn, Newton Stewart, Killin, Fort William, Mallaig, Stromaferry, Portree, Gairloch, Ullapool, Lochinver, Kinloch Burvey, Port of Ness, Stornoway, Ardroyle, Tarbert, Ballyvanich, Loch Boydale, Vartasay, Omagh and Enniskillen. Strong winds will blow at speeds ranging from 60 to 85 kilometers per hour in all areas of the United Kingdom, except for southeastern England. On Monday, September 25th, light to moderate rainfall will continue in most areas of Scotland, especially in the northern half. Light raindrops may persist in Northern Ireland, Wales and scattered parts of England, especially in northwest England. Strong winds will persist at speeds ranging from 60 to 80 kilometers per hour in all areas and cities of Scotland, most of the northern and western islands, Northern Ireland, as well as northern England and northern Wales. There will be some temperature increase during the day, especially in eastern and southeastern England. Another weather disturbance is expected on the following Tuesday, September 26th, which will lead to moderate rainfall in Northern Ireland, most areas of Scotland, Wales, eastern and northern England, as well as the western islands of the kingdom. On Wednesday, September 27th, the weather will be completely cloudy with moderate to heavy rainfall in all areas of the kingdom.